Hello, my friends. Today, I want to talk about something that can change your life. Let's talk about how to learn English. I know English may feel hard at first. I felt the same way. When I was young, I did not know any English. I could say hello, but that was all. I was shy and scared. I didn't know what to do. I thought, can I really learn this? But I wanted to try, so I started small. One day I went to a bookstore. I saw a small book with pictures. The title was English for You. I bought it. That book became my first English teacher. At home, I opened the first page. There were simple words like apple, cat, and sun. I repeated each word. I looked at the pictures. I said the words out loud. That was my first step. I also watched a video on my phone. It was a short cartoon in English. I did not understand much, but I liked the sound. I asked myself, what do they say? So I played it again and again. I listened carefully. Each time I caught a new word. I wrote it down in a notebook. That made me feel happy. Listening became my habit. Every morning I listened to one English song. At night I listened to a short story. I did this every day. Slowly, my ears got used to the sound of English. I learned how people say words and how they ask questions like, where are you? Or what is this? Then I started to speak. I looked at the mirror and said, I'm strong. I can speak English. I made many mistakes, but I did not stop. Mistakes are okay. They help you learn. I said things like, this is my bag. Or I like apples. Sometimes I forgot words. Sometimes I said the wrong word. But I smiled and kept trying. I remember one day at the market. I saw a tourist I wanted to speak. I said, hello, how are you? The tourist smiled and said, I'm fine, thank you. I was so happy. That short talk gave me big courage. I said to myself, yes, I can do this. Another day, I wrote 3 questions in English. What is your name? Where do you live? What do you like? I asked my friend to help me. We took turns asking and answering. It was fun. We laughed a lot, but we learned too. I also made little signs and put them on things in my room. On my chair, I wrote chair. On my desk, I wrote desk. On the wall, I wrote wall. This helped me see English every day. I used sticky notes with words and drew small pictures next to them. Learning English became part of my life. It was not always easy, but it was exciting. Every new word was like a new friend. Every sentence I said was a small victory. I learned that I should not be afraid. I should just start. So if you ask me, when is the best time to start learning English? I will say, now. You can learn. You will learn. Just take your first step. Even one small step can open a big door. Let's begin today. There are many fun ways to practice English. You do not need to study all day. Just enjoy the process. Let's look at some simple and fun ideas. First, reading. Reading is a great way to learn. What can you read? You can read picture books, short stories, or comic books. I read a book about a little dog. The dog was lost and found a new home. The story was easy, but I learned new words like lost, find, and home. There are books for every level. Start with short books. Where can you find them? You can find them at the library, in a bookstore, or online. Ask, what book is good for me? You will find many options. Next, let's talk about watching. Watch videos, shows, or cartoons in English. I watched a cartoon about a cat and a mouse. The cat always ran after the mouse, but the mouse was very smart. I laughed and learned at the same time. Videos teach you how people talk. They show how to say words and how to ask questions. You can also write in English. What should you write? Write about your day. Write what you eat. Write what you feel. I wrote, today is sunny. I go to school. I play with my friends. It was easy, but it helped. When you write, you use your own words. This is good practice. Let's try games. English games are fun and useful. You can play word games or memory games. I played a game called Find the Word. There were letters on the screen and I had to find English words. I played this game every day. It helped me remember many words. How many new words can you learn in one day? Maybe 5, maybe 10. Use flashcards to help. Write the English word on one side and the meaning or a picture on the other side. Look at them often. You will remember more each time. Let's not forget about singing. Yes, singing. Songs help you remember words. I sang Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star and If You're Happy. I sang with my little sister. We had fun and we learned together. You can sing alone or with friends. Do you like drawing? Try drawing pictures of new words. I drew a house, a cat, and a tree. Then I wrote the English words under each picture. This helped me remember better. It also made learning more fun. When should you practice? Practice a little every day, maybe in the morning or before bed. Small steps each day make a big change. You might feel tired sometimes, but don't stop. Even 10 minutes is good. Let's do what we can. So let's review. Read, watch, write, sing, draw, play, and use flashcards. These are fun ways to learn English. You will not feel bored. You will enjoy each step. Learning English can be fun if you find the right way for you. Let's keep going. Let's try one fun thing today. Learning takes time. It will not happen in one day. But if you keep going, you will see big changes. So, what should we do when we feel tired or slow? Let's talk about that. Sometimes I did not want to study. I felt tired. I thought, do I really need to do this today? But I asked myself one question. Why did I start? That question gave me power. I remembered my goal. I wanted to speak with people from other countries. I wanted to watch English movies without subtitles. These small dreams helped me move forward. There will be days when you do not feel strong. That is okay. Rest if you need to. Take a short walk. Listen to music. Then come back to learning. Do what makes you feel fresh again. Set small goals. You might say, "Today I will learn 3 new words," or "I will write 1 short story this week." When you reach your goal, celebrate. Say, "Well done." You can even give yourself a reward, maybe a piece of chocolate or a short break. Rewards make learning more fun. Talk to yourself in English. Ask simple questions like, "What time is it?" or "Where is my book?" Answer yourself in English. It might feel strange at first, but it works. I did it every day. I asked, "What will I eat today?" Then I answered, "I will eat rice and fish." Stay positive. When you say, "I can do it," your brain listens. Positive words have power. Don't say, "I'm not good." Say, "I'm learning and I will get better." This helps your mind grow strong. Mistakes? Yes, you will make them. But mistakes are good. I made many mistakes. I once said, "I go to the store." My friend laughed and said it went. I smiled and said it again. That is how we learn. Mistakes teach us. Let's think about the future. One day you will travel. You will speak to new people. You will write your own stories. You will feel proud. But today you just take one small step. Let's keep going. Let's not stop. Every word you learn is a key. Every sentence you speak is a bridge. You are building something great. Be proud of yourself. So, my friend, what is your next step? Will you read a book? Will you sing a song? Will you talk to a friend in English? Whatever you do, just do one thing today. Keep smiling, and remember, you are not alone. We are learning together. Let's do it.